Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to be doing an unpackaging video today. I had ordered some typewriter ribbon, and to kind of explain what it is, I first want to show you my typewriter. So this is my baby. It is a vintage typewriter. It is a Smith Corona portable typewriter, and I do not know when it was invented. I do know that it was purchased in April of 1970, which is just like really cool to think about. So yeah, I personally have not been able to use it to its fullest potential because the ribbon inside it is from its original use, so it's kind of dried up. And so what a ribbon is inside, the ribbon holds the ink, and then when you press a letter or something, the little keys push up against the ribbon and imprint on the paper. And so I'm going to show you what its current state is with the old ribbon. So first we're going to put in some paper. I'm going to move it, and we're just going to type hello. Alright, and then you kind of see that you can read it, but it's very faint. And so I ordered some ribbon, and I'm excited to see the improvement of the ink quality. And so we're going to open it up, and I ordered two different ribbons. One is black ink and one is a red ink. I should have opened this earlier. So we have two ribbons. They are both in a packaging. You could already tell that it's like a lot more fresh because the ink is coming off on the band. So this one here, I should open these. So I grabbed some gloves because the ink I know will come off on my hand as I show it. So the two different ribbons I got, one is just black and one is black and red. So I'm going to open the black one because I'm not going to actually use the red one right away. So here is what it looks like. I will kind of let it focus. And you simply just pull them apart and then unravel it. And then it will go into the typewriter. So I'm going to show you what the inside of the typewriter looks like, and then I will show you the after results of placing the new ribbon. So this is what the inside of a typewriter looks like. It's very similar to a piano, how you'd see the strings. So like when I type and you just hit the buttons here, I'm just like hitting buttons here, it then, here's if I can focus it. The key then hits the ribbon, and I don't know if it'll show up. See, it shows up very faintly. But this is what the inside looks like. And so the ribbon I'm replacing here is this piece. I'm going to take these out very carefully and then remove the other side. So what I have done is I replaced the ribbon and I put the cover back on. I found out though the spool that I ordered was too big for the typewriter. The ribbon was the right size, but the spool itself was too big. So what I had to do was I had to unravel the old ribbon and then put the new ribbon on the old spool. It still works and the typing looks a lot better. It's a lot more improved, and I will show you how that looks. But so as far as product, a little bit of a letdown, because after reading a bunch of reviews and with this being a vintage typewriter, I thought I had ordered specifically for this one because the brand was included in it, but I think because this is a portable typewriter, it needs a smaller spool. However, the ribbon is the right size and the typing looks very nice, and I can't wait to use it to write letters to friends. I know it's kind of old school, but I think letters like that are such a special thing to have, and just another way of communicating, kind of like be a little old school, but I enjoy it and I know my friends do as well. So thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this journey and I will see you soon. Thanks for watching.